Welcome to the CHRS Absence Management tutorial on how managers can approve cancellation requests for absences in CHRS. You can use the topics in the notes for this video to jump to specific sections within the video. Closed captions are available for this presentation. Click on the CC icon in the play bar to enable closed captions. If an employee wants to cancel or edit an absence that has already been approved, they have to submit a cancellation request that must be approved by their manager. You will receive an email letting you know that you have a cancellation request waiting for your approval. To access the approvals for absences, log into the campus portal and select Manager Homepage in the Titan Online widget. Select Fullerton as the campus, then click Login. Click on the navbar compass icon at the top right of the screen. Click on the Menu button. Select Manager Self-Service. Then select Time Management. Select Approve Time and Exceptions. Then select Multiple Absence Requests. Let's scroll to the right to view the option for cancellation requests. Select Cancel Absence Requests. Now let's scroll back to view the details of this cancellation request. Place a check mark next to the cancellation request. If you are approving the cancellation request, the approver comments are optional. However, if you are denying the cancellation request, you may want to enter a comment. Then click Approve to approve the cancellation request, or click Deny to leave the absence entry as approved without changes. Click Yes to confirm that you want to approve or deny the absence cancellation request. Then click OK. You're done! If the employee corrects the absence and resubmits it, you'll receive an email and can return to the Multiple Absence Request screen to approve the updated absence. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Please see the notes for this video for links to training guides and resources.